A student learned a lesson that by practicing, we can add value to our work. Through the life of Picasso, who could draw 30 lakh work painting in just 30 seconds. But yet, another question bothered him, that what extra benefits do we gain by practicing other than adding value to our work? To make the student understand this, his master gave him two examples, one of Sachin and the other of Dhyan Chand. He said, Sachin is a name that this world would never forget. When India won the World Cup in 2011, the long cherished dream of Sachin, who decided to be a cricketer at age 10, with the glory India celebrated winning World Cup in 1983, giving new hopes to his career. And after 38 long painstaking years, his dream came true. And during that celebrations, Sachin was carried by the Indian team on their shoulders across the ground, acknowledging the audience. At that time, one of the reporters asked Virat Kohli, "Why is all this?" For which he said, Sachin has carried the burden of the nation's cricket for 21 years, and it is time that we carry him now. In such a glorious man's life, let me put before you an incident from his career. In 2007, in a match between India and Australia, Broad Hogg bowled Sachin. Indeed, it was a great achievement for him, as it is not so easy to bowl such a senior player like Sachin away. So, at the end of the match, Hogg went to Sachin and asked for his autograph on the ball, so that he would keep it as a lifetime memory. Sachin smiled and signed on the ball. Above his signature, he wrote, "It will never happen again." And as Sachin said, Broad Hogg could not bowl Sachin out in all the next matches. Probably they must have faced each other in over 20 matches, but Hogg could not get the wicket of Sachin. Now, explaining this, the teacher asked, how could Sachin write such a bold statement? He wrote because of the courage that he developed within him. And how did he get that much courage? By practice, practice, practice. Another example. I think you know about Dhyan Chand, who is called Hockey Ka Jadugar, who used to practice all night under the moon, and who used to practice on the rails of the railway track, and who could use his hockey stick so powerfully that officials of Netherlands once broke his hockey stick to see if he has placed a magnet in it. Such a powerful player he was. During a match played by him in Olympics, his team could not even score a goal in the first half of the game. It surprised everyone and a lot of pressure was built. The coach erupted and started shouting at Dhyan Chand. Dhyan Chand, realizing the reason for it, he went to the match referee and said that there is a measurement error in the goal post. The referee was shocked and exclaimed, "This is an Olympic game. Does what you say make sense?" Dhyan Chand said, "Measure it. You will come to know it." And to everyone's shock, they found that the goal post was less than the prescribed width under international rules. See what a courage he exhibited. How do you think he got that nerve? The student could shout, saying, "Practice, practice, practice." So, practice, practice, practice all the way till you reach your dream. Never, never, never give up your practice.
Every day, in every way, life is getting better and better. Don't miss to be a part of Venu Skill Training Academy, as you can't miss life.